offers a comprehensive guide with complete details to help you become a successful data analyst. Develop strong mathematical and statistical skills. Master foundational math concepts including algebra, calculus, and linear algebra. Deepen your understanding of statistics, covering probability, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and more. Learn programming languages. Choose the primary programming language such as Python or R, both commonly used in data analysis. Learn the fundamentals including variables, data types, loops, and functions. Data manipulation and cleaning. Become proficient in data manipulation using libraries like Pandas, Python, or Blur, R. Learn to clean data by handling missing values, duplicates, and outliers. Data visualization. Master data visualization libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Python, or ggplot2, R. Create engaging visualizations to effectively communicate insights. SQL skills. Acquire SQL skills to query and retrieve data from databases, a crucial skill for data analysis. Exploratory data analysis, ADA. Practice ADA techniques to comprehend data distributions, relationships, and trends. Use statistical summaries, histograms, scatter plots, and more. Statistical analysis. Deepen your statistical prowess with advanced techniques including ANOVA, chi-squared tests, and non-parametric tests. Machine learning basics. Understand the fundamentals of machine learning concepts such as supervised versus unsupervised learning, classification, regression, and clustering. Machine learning tools and algorithms. Familiarize yourself with libraries like scikit-learn, Python, or Caret, R, for machine learning. Study algorithms like decision trees, random forests, linear regression, logistic regression, k-means clustering, etc. Tools and software. Learn data analysis tools like Jupyter Notebook, Studio, or any integrated development environment, they. Understand version control using Git for collaboration and project management. Learn from online courses and resources. Enroll in reputable online data analysis courses from platforms like Coursera, edX, DataCamp, Udacity, and Khan Academy. Follow structured curricula covering data analysis, visualization, statistics, machine learning, and more. Hands-on projects. Engage in practical data analysis projects using real-world datasets. Tackle diverse problems, clean and analyze data, create visualizations, and derive insights. Networking and collaboration. Join data science communities and forums, such as Kaggle, Stack Overflow, and Reddit, r/data science. Collaborate on open source projects, learn from others' experiences, and share your own insights. Certifications, optional. Consider pursuing certifications to enhance your credentials, like the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate on Coursera or Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate. Build a portfolio. Develop a strong online portfolio showcasing your skills, projects, and analyses. Demonstrate your ability to tackle real-world data challenges. Internships and entry-level jobs. Seek internships or entry-level positions as a data analyst to gain practical industry experience. Apply your skills, learn from professionals, and contribute to real projects. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and techniques in data analysis. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and participate in conferences. Soft skills. Develop communication skills to convey complex insights to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. Cultivate problem-solving abilities, critical thinking, and attention to detail. Resume building and job search. Craft a tailored resume highlighting your education, skills, projects, and relevant experiences. Apply to data analyst positions that align with your skills and interests. Interview preparation. Prepare for interviews by revisiting your projects and brushing up on technical concepts. Showcase your problem-solving skills and how you've tackled real-world challenges. Continuous growth and specialization. As you gain experience, consider specializing in a specific industry or domain such as healthcare, finance, marketing, etc.